In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete template link in Canva. If you've ever shared your design as a template and now want to turn that link off, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. A template link lets anyone who has it create their own copy of your design without changing your original. Deleting the template link stops that from happening, which is perfect when a promotion ends, a classroom assignment is over, or you just don't want the design circulated anymore. Don't worry. This won't delete your design or remove access for people you've directly invited to collaborate. Start by going to your project. Open the exact design whose template link you want to remove, so you're looking at the editor. Now, head to the top right and click Share. This is the same share button you use for inviting collaborators or exporting your design. In the Share panel, you'll see an area that shows the current sharing status. If your design is live as a template, Canva will indicate that there's an active template link. That's your signal you're in the right place. Click the template link entry to open its settings. This is where Canva manages that specific share option. Inside, you'll find the control to delete the template link. Go ahead and click Delete Template Link. If Canva asks you to confirm, accept to proceed. The moment you do this, the template link is disabled. Anyone who tries to use the old link will no longer be able to generate a copy from your design. A few quick notes to help you feel confident about this change. Deleting the template link affects only that share type. It does not erase your project, and it does not remove edit or view access you've explicitly granted to teammates or collaborators through invitations. If the link was posted publicly, consider removing it from places like a website or description, so people don't click a link that no longer works. If you ever need to share it as a template again, you can create a new template link later and share the fresh URL. If you don't immediately see the template link option, make sure you're in the correct design and that the design actually had a template link generated before. Interface labels can vary slightly across devices, but the path is the same. Go to your project, click Share, open the template link entry, then delete it. And that's all it takes. You've successfully removed the template link and brought full control of your design back to you.